Hello friends, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Professor S.P. Singh from Faculty of Management Studies, Gurukul Kangdi University, Haridwar. Today we are going to study Module 34 on documentation of data. After finishing this module, you shall be able to understand process of recording, know the field notes, comprehend the research diary, understand documentation sheets, and understand the transcription. A researcher has to document and edit the data before the process of analysis is initiated. Just in case of interview data, portion of great significance of editing process is that recording of spoken words is carried out. In case of observations, the most important activity is that actions and interactions are documented in both cases, enhancing the quality and value of statements involving context or activities should be a chief element of the data collection. Documenting the process of data collection in protocols involving context, research diaries or field notes can accomplish the enhancement of the quality and value of statements. Through these procedures, the relations studied are changed markedly into text. The actual analysis is based on these relations. The data generated as a consequence of this process are subjected to higher authority. Then the data is interpreted to reveal the relations under study and efforts are made to generalize the findings. Documentation of data. The process of documenting the data is made up of mainly three steps: the act of recording the data, editing the data or transcription, and constructing a new reality in and by the produced text. These steps are an indispensable part in the creation of a state of things as they really exist. Involving a great advancement in the knowledge and experience in acoustic and audio-visual devices made the recording of events more accurate. These prospects for recording events exercised a great influence on revival of qualitative research during the past 2 decades. The application of recording devices such as tape, MP3, mini disc and video recorders has occupied a wide space in daily life. Partly, the extensive application of these devices has made them well known to potential interviewees or those individuals whose daily life the researcher intends to observe and record their statements using these devices. The use of these gadgets has made some definite kinds of methods involving analysis as conversation analysis and objective hermeneutics predominant. Recording data. Involving a great advancement in the knowledge and experience in acoustic and audio-visual devices made the recording of events more accurate. These prospects for recording events exercised a great influence on revival of qualitative research during the past 2 decades. The application of recording devices such as tape, MP3, mini disc and video recorder has occupied a wide space in daily life. Partly, the extensive application of these devices has made them well known to potential interviewees or those individuals whose daily life the researcher intends to observe and record their statements using these devices. The use of these gadgets has made some definite kinds of methods involving analysis as conversation analysis and objective hermeneutics predominant. To some extent, their widespread use has made them familiar with potential interviewees or for those people whose everyday life is to be observed and recorded by their use. Some forms of analysis such as conversation analysis and objective hermeneutics have become possible only through the use of these gadgets. Recording of natural situations. The enhanced deployment of machines for recording created an expectation that the attitude of the researcher and the opinion of the subjects will not exert an impact on the documentation of data. This accomplished a natural recording of events or a natural design. The cassette or videotapes are used for recording the interviews, conversation or counseling conversations. The researcher gives the participants information regarding the use of recording device and the aim of recording. Now, the researcher may expect that the participants will easily forget about the recording device and that the conversation will occur in a natural manner. Presence and influence of the recording. The expectation of getting a usual natural recording will be fulfilled if the recording equipment is out of sight of the participants. In order to get nearest to the natural setting of the situation, the researcher confines the application of recording technology to gathering of data essential to the research question and the theoretical framework. Field notes. The researcher's notes have been the first rank medium for documentation in qualitative research. The replies of the interviewee and minutes concerning the course of the interview are the main indispensable components of the notes taken in interviews. The participant observers again and again interrupt their participation to note important observations. These notes, as a general rule, must be taken instantly or as soon as possible. The withdrawal essential for this may bring in some artificial element in connection with partners involved in the field directly. Particularly in action research, when the researchers take part in the events in the field and do not only observe them, it is more difficult to preserve this freedom for the researchers. Another course of action is to take note of feeling after finishing the personal field contact. Laughlin suggested that researchers apply an enclosed rigor in following the divine rule to make notes instantly after the field contact, and furthermore that researchers anticipate the same amount of time for noting carefully the observations as for devoting on the observation itself. It need be made certain that later a difference can still be made between the observed and what has been made compact by the observer in interpreting or making summary of events on reliability of protocols involving procedure. An individual style of writing notes may be evolved by the researcher after some time as the experience increases. The creation of the state of things as they really exist in text begins with the making of field notes. The researchers involving the selection of most suitable ability to see and presentations have a powerful impact on this action of making. This quality of carefully choosing relates not merely the facts given up, but also and more than anything else those which get a place into the notes. It is merely the system of written symbols that create a durable incident out of its daily route and create it into an event to which draw researcher, interpreter and reader can focus again and again. A method of curtailing or justifying the selection of most suitable of the documentation is to improve the quality of the notes by diaries or by day protocols subjects under study right along with the researchers taking notes. Thus, their personal views may be contained in the data analyzed. These records, in the opinion of the participant, can be analyzed and note the similarity or dissimilarity with the researcher's notes. Moreover, photographs, drawings, maps and other audio-visual material to the notes may be included. A third option is to make use of an electronic notebook, a dictating machine, or same type of gadgets to record the notes. Spreadley suggested 4 types of field notes for the purpose of documentation. The short notes of conversation, a detailed account of the idea or feeling from interviews and contacts in the field, a diary containing impressions, and notes for analysis and interpretation. Research diary. Diary studies have drawn researchers' attention interested in collection of qualitative data, particularly since 1983. Diaries are treated as subjective monitoring of experiences documented over a period. The research making use of diaries are categorized as one of the ethnographical studies which intend to disclose existing fact or situation and formulate hypotheses. Particularly when more than one researcher is engaged, need is felt for documentation of and serious thought to the ongoing research process. The capability of being compared of the empirical series of activities in the individual notes may be increased. It is a method of documentation to continually use latest research diaries written by participants. Documentation sheets. For interviews, the use of sheets for documenting the context of data collection is recommended. The design of the study determines the type of information to be included. The interview might be influenced by the number of interviewers involved or the change in locations of the interviews conducted. Additionally, the research questions decide the items to be noted on these sheets. Therefore, the documentation sheets are required to keep explicit additional contextual information. Transcription. The data recorded on electronic devices requires their transcription before interpretation. Various transcription systems are available which differ in their extent of accuracy. However, yet there is no standard form of transcription. In language analysis, emphasis is on accomplishing the maximum accuracy in classification and presentation of statements and breaks. Here the procedure is appropriateness can be discussed. The standards of accuracy add to the quality of being exact and accurate in measurement and are brought into social science involving interpretation through the rear entry. The studies concerning language and conversation analysis pay particular attention to the act of organizing language. This exactness is appropriate. For research questions relating to psychology or sociology where language is medium of exchange for examining certain contents, transcriptions with high standards of exactness have legitimate reason. It seems more reasonable to transcribe only that amount of material as is compulsory for the research question. The transcription marked by exactness and accuracy of expression data needs resources which could be better utilized for the act of interpretation. Another standard for judging transcription is the recording, and the impersonality of data is the key characteristic of the transcription procedure. For transcription in social science, the transcription in conversation analysis has often served as the yardstick. A second version of transcribing interviews advises the application of line numbers for the transcript and leaving enough space in the margins for notes. In qualitative online research, the answers, statements, or narratives in interviews or focus group come in written and electronic formats. The step of transcription here can be skipped. Text as new reality. The realities causing great enthusiasm and eagerness can be changed markedly through the recording of data, taking extra notes, and the transcription of the recordings. The process of documentation and the act of transcribing statements take two distinct forms of events. Every individual form of documentation takes to a clearly defined structure of documentation. Technical circumstances and restrictions influence every transcription of social realities. Every transcription develops a clearly defined, essential, supporting structure on the level of the text which makes approachable to what was transcribed in a clearly defined manner. The documentation separates the events from their fact of lasting for a short time. The personal style of noting things of the researcher produces the field a ceremonial field. The extent of exactness in the transcription dismisses the organized whole of the events into a large number of clearly defined details. Reality only introduces itself to the scientist to provide evidence to prove the truth in the form of text or as protocol. Providing evidence to prove the truth in the form of text is valid as a process that gives the means to approach to a field, and as an outcome of this process, as a process of reconstructing the reality transformed into text. The action of building a new reality in the text begins at the level of field notes and transcription. This is the single particular form of reality at the disposal of the researcher in their ensuing interpretations. These structures should be taken into account while carefully dealing with the text advised by every individual method of interpretation. Irrespective of the extent of wider recording of the case, the documentation of the circumstances of creation and the transcription arranges the material in a clearly defined way. The principle of the ability to comprehend may be accomplished by the ability to analyze the presentations or the proceedings of conditions from the inside. It is therefore essential that the documentation should be adequately exact to disclose structures in material and allow access from different points of view. The grouping of the data has the key purpose of documenting the case in the quality of their clear definition and structure. This permits the researcher to reconstruct as an organized whole, to perform analysis and break it down for its structure. The text is thus produced, build the reality in a clearly defined way and make it approachable as empirical material for procedures of interpretation. Friends, in this module you have studied process of recording, the field notes, the research diary, documentation sheet and the transcription. Thanks for visiting EPG Pathshala.